my crochet friends, it's Saturday and that means new tutorial time. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to create a gorgeous flower blanket minus the border. That will come next. Now, I'm going to try for those 3 or 4 of you that complained about my wordiness, I'm going to try to keep it down to a minimum for you. For the rest of you, thank you so much for all the love. Let's get into it. Grab that yarn and hook. This is the gorgeous stitch I'm going to be teaching you. It does not specifically have a name, although it does look very much like the jasmine or the star stitch. It is a 5 double crochet decrease stitch. It works up just a little bit differently than the average jasmine, marguerite, or star. Later on in the tutorial, I'll tell you everything you need to know to make a 34-inch blanket. But for now, we're going to start with a simple chain of 18. I've created my swatch here, and my blanket will be created with Cotton Bliss, which is a blended cotton and acrylic yarn. So beautiful, so drapey and scrumptious in the color Vanilla Shell. Because we're doing a 5 double crochet decrease, I am going to be calling them legs. Every time we do a decrease, I'm going to call it a leg. Let's go ahead and chain our 18, and for this blanket you want to chain loosely. So chain 18 fairly loose. Meet me back here. We have our chain and we're going to turn our chain sideways. We're going to do a double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to yarn over our hook and place a double crochet into the top of that 3rd chain. Just like so. Right from here, we're going to start working our double crochet decrease. And again, there's going to be 5, and again, they're going to be called legs. Go ahead from here and chain 3. Yarn over, and we're going to start with our first leg in that 3rd chain from the hook. So count 1, 2, 3 from your hook, and go ahead and insert your hook, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through just 2. Yarn over again. We're going to turn our work up sideways, making sure that our chain is going sideways, because that's going to make it much easier for you to see where to work. We're going to work our second 2 legs right back in that same chain where we placed that first double crochet, right down here. Yarning over, we're going to go into that chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2, and our 3rd leg, going back into that same spot, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, because we have to do this decrease over 5 stitches. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, skip 1, skip 2, and enter your hook into that 3rd chain. And we're going to place our last 2 legs of the decrease in this chain. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through just 2. One more time, yarn over, go into the same chain, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. And now you should have 6 loops on your hook. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through all 6. And that is our first flower made. We're going to chain 3. And we're going to start our next flower, which is our 5 decrease, into the eye. The eye is what brings all those loops together. We're going to start our decrease right there. So we're going to enter in, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, go back into that last eye from the last flower, and we're going to place 2 legs here. Yarn over and pull a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, go back into that eye, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. 4 loops on the hook, we need 2 more, a total of 6. Skip the next 2 chains and go into the 3rd. Yarn over, go into the next loop, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, same chain. Pull through 2. 6 loops on our hook now. Yarn over, pull through all 6. Stay with me. I know it seems like a lot right now, but once we get through row 1, it's a breeze, I promise. Now we're just going to repeat until we get to the end of our chain. So I'll show you one more time. So chain 3, yarn over, go back into the same eye that we just finished and start the 5 decrease. This is the first leg. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, go back into the previous eye down on the bottom, and 2 legs go here. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over, skip the next 2 chains, and going into the 3rd chain, we'll place our last 2 legs. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through. Next one on your own, meet me back here for the last one. Last one, we're going to chain 3. Place our first leg in the eye, come down to our last eye flower, 2 at the bottom, skip 2 stitches, and coming into the last stitch, we will complete our last flower with 2 legs in that last stitch. Yarn over and pull through all 6. That's what you should have right now, but we're not done. Lock this flower in place, so let's chain 3. And we're going to place 1 full double crochet right through that eye center right here. And then we're going to chain 3. And that is row 1. For the remainder of the tutorial, let's go to part 2.